In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the horizontal scroll bar in Microsoft Word. We'll start by launching Microsoft Word and opening any document. It doesn't matter whether it's a blank page or an existing file. Any document will do so. You can see the change take effect. Next, go to the controls where Word's preferences live. Click the File tab in the top left corner of the window. This opens the Backstage view with several options down the left side. At the very bottom of that sidebar, click Options. That opens the Word Options dialog box, which is where we'll make the change. These steps apply to the desktop version of Word on Windows. In the Word Options window, look to the left and select Advanced. This section contains a lot of detailed settings, so we'll focus on one specific area. Scroll the main panel until you reach the Display section. There, find the option labeled Show Horizontal Scrollbar. Check the box to enable it. If you see that it's already checked, that means the horizontal scrollbar feature is already active and you don't need to change anything. Once you've confirmed the setting, click OK to save your changes and close the dialog. Word will remember this preference for all documents on this device. Now let's confirm it's working. If your document's content is wider than the current window, you'll see a horizontal scroll bar appear along the bottom edge of the Word window. You can click and drag the scroll bar left or right to navigate across the page without changing your zoom level. This is especially handy when working with wide tables, large images, or pages set to landscape orientation, where content can extend beyond the visible area. If everything on your page already fits within the window, the horizontal scroll bar may look inactive or may not appear to move. That's expected because there's nothing to scroll horizontally in that view. The moment your content extends beyond the visible width, the scroll bar becomes useful, and that's all there is to it. Open Word, go to File, choose Options, select Advanced, turn on Show Horizontal Scroll Bar under Display, and click OK. With this quick adjustment, you can navigate wide content more comfortably without constant zooming or switching views. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you work more efficiently in Word.